viewers, welcome back to Gupshup with Naz. So today we are here at Holyrood. It's a small city, approximate 1 hour drive from St. John's. So here we have come at Salmonier Nature Park, where we have heard that there is a trail, and on that trail there are animals in cages. So let's go and explore together. Come on, let's go. Now we'll be starting from here, and then all over we'll end up right here again. So as you can see, all these circles, these are the points where the animals will be there in the cages, and we will be passing by through this trail and exploring all the animals. Let's go.
Come on. Nature trail and picnic area.
Little brown bat.
Bats are the only mammals that can truly fly.
So bats are mammals which can fly.
Only mammals that can fly.
Yeah.
The little brown bat is the most common type of bat in our province. They are not blind, but they use echolocation rather than sight to find their prey in the dark of night. Little brown bats are hibernate in caves for the winter, then migrate to their summer feeding grounds in the spring. Snowy
There is a
owl.
birdcage.
Snowy
Snowy
owls
owl.
are native to Labrador above the tree line. They are a winter visitor to southern Labrador and the island where food is scarce, the Arctic. Cool.
Here we saw the first animal, that is an owl. It is called great horned owl, and it's staring at us. He heard us, I guess. Now he's not looking at us. Hey, Owlie.
Great horned owl. Great horned owl. Great horned owl. Oh my god, he moved. I'm capturing this on video on vertical.
That is cute.
Only one, right?
I think so. But it's so cute.
Okay, it's definitely real.
He's trying to fly.
Only take a video then.
Is he trying to fly or
No
taking a nap?
idea.
Mr. Owlie?
He's just lying down?
An owl is
I
lying
feel
down.
he's acting like a cat, like how
Yeah.
cats do.
Yeah.
But did
Maybe
you
he
see
was
the eyes?
just. Maybe he was
Yeah,
just.
his eyes
stretching
are so
himself.
big.
Who am I? Lynx. Lynx hide in the underbush, use their excellent sight and hearing to detect prey, then use their long legs to pounce on, not chase their target. Maybe somewhere here.
They can hide, but they cannot run. They can hide. Though lynx can move swiftly, they do not run far.
I don't know, ये केज अच्छा खासा बड़ा होगा ना, तो पीछे पीछे भी कहीं होंगे.
Difficult to find.
बर्ड्स रखे होंगे.
Slippery and wet. More
हाँ, अभी
tracks.
कुछ आने वाला है. See, Now something else will come
They
here.
of course made them and drawed them. Something.
इसमें तो नजर आ जाना चाहिए कुछ ना कुछ.
हाँ.
देख ये है Newfoundland Martin. Know
Long.
me by my looks.
So he
Fur
has
on
large
face
ears.
is lighter
Fur on
in
face is
color.
light in color. Long
Long
bushy
bushy
tail.
tail.
Fur on throat is orange. No, no.
Take
You
snore
take.
in
I see. It's like a squirrel.
I think वो शायद गीला हो गया ना इसके लिए शायद अपने आप वो कर रहा है. गिर गया.
बॉक्स में जा रहा है. बॉक्स में.
कुछ होगा इसका खाने का होगा ना.
Frogs don't need to drink water like most other animals because they can absorb water through their skin.
डक आराम से बैठी हुई है और पानी के साथ साथ हिल रही है. Here we saw an eagle. And I feel it's an open.
Here it's open.
I'm not sure whether it's open or there is a cage. But I don't see a cage. It's like open eagle.
Can we go closer, please?
See, it's the same eagle that we are looking at.
No, but isn't it real?
Majestic birds of
Bald
prey.
eagle.
Bald eagles are common along our prey-rich shorelines. Though they are excellent hunters of fish and other prey, they will conserve energy by scavenging whenever they can.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my
It was
god.
a beautiful bee.
Oh my god, beautiful.
It was a beautiful bee.
Beautiful. How was it beautiful to you? It's so not beautiful.
It was so beautiful, no?
It's so not beautiful.
The wings and the yellow color and the black stripes. It must have been captured in the camera. Did it? It's totally a different kind of experience. I've never seen the birds and animals like this. Like they have a huge cage. In Pakistan, where we were living before, it was like a zoo where we were going, and there was a small cage, and the animals and birds only have a small space where they can move around. But here, it's like it's a
Full
huge space
habitat.
for them.
They would give it a full habitat.
Just searched on Google. These are called bunchberry.
Yeah, it's Canada goose.
So guys, this is Canada goose.
Goose?
These all animals that we have seen today, I'm seeing them for the first time in my life, in real life, and they are so beautiful.
We actually see this because there's no net.
Yeah, because they cannot jump and come over, no? So that's why there is no net. They live in the water and grass area. So these geese travel in V shape whenever they are migrating, so they can be easily identified because they migrate, they fly in V shape. It's raining, it's raining, it's raining.
Rain, rain, come today, don't ever go away. Rain, mama, rain, 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 come today.
Animals that you can see are extinct now, so we as a human being has to take a responsibility of safeguarding the natural elements and system which, you know, save the species from dying. So what could we have done to prevent their extinction, and what can we do to prevent the extinction of the wildlife on our provincial endangered species list? That's the question we have to take in our mind when we leave from this place.
Look, there's only a wood statue.
See guys, we are still shooting for you
Even
in the rain.
Come on. Please like the video and
so
subscribe.
please like and subscribe our channel. When you do subscribe and like, we get motivated, we get encouraged to make more videos like this. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.
Are we lucky to see Arctic fox?
I don't think so, because of the rain, all the animals have gone inside. I don't think so they will come out in the rain. So we finished the trail here, and we missed few of the animals because it started to rain so fast. So maybe the animals have gone inside, they were not coming outside in the rain. So maybe we'll come one more time to cover those animals which we missed. So let's see. So we hope that you liked our today's video.
And please like this video and smash the subscribe button.
Bye.